Hello, I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. Dr. Stefan. And today, we're going to talk calmly about why something as simple as lemon water can feel so good for so many people. This isn't magic, it's practical biology. When you start your morning with a large glass of water and the juice of half a lemon, a few things happen at once. First, the most underestimated benefit: early hydration. You've gone hours without fluids, your mouth is dry, your blood is a bit more concentrated, and your body appreciates a gentle push of water. Lemon adds fresh flavor that makes people drink more willingly, and that alone can change the day better bowel rhythm, fewer dehydration headaches, and a sense of a clean start. Second, vitamin C, a medium lemon, contributes a meaningful amount. A megadose, but enough to support collagen synthesis, iron absorption later in the day, and a reasonable antioxidant nudge. It isn't a magic wand against everything. It supports processes your body already runs. Collagen shows up when you give your body the building blocks: quality protein, enough vitamin C, and sleep. Third, citrate. Lemons contain citric acid, which provides citrate. In people prone to calcium-oxalate kidney stones, raising urinary citrate can help reduce recurrence. It's not a universal cure and never replaces medical guidance, but as a well-diluted, supervised habit, it can be a sensible aid-on. Now, what lemon water doesn't do? It doesn't alkalize your blood. Your blood pH is tightly regulated. Lemon can make urine a bit more alkaline, but it won't turn your bloodstream into a spa. It also doesn't burn fat by itself. If weight goes down after adding lemon water, it's usually because you've replaced sugary drinks. Feel more satisfied and hydrated, move more, sleep better, and eat more intentionally. The glass is the anchor habit. The results come from the whole routine. Why do people feel digestive benefits? 2 reasons. 1. The gastrocolic reflex liquid arrives in the stomach and the intestines wake up, especially if you take a minute to breathe while you sip. 2. The idea of not overstraining everything you drink in the morning. Lemon water is fine on its own, but if you ever infuse the water lightly, say, a paper-thin peel strip or a few mint leaves, you may notice a gentle nudge in comfort. And one last reminder: this isn't mandatory. If it bothers you on an empty stomach, move it to mid-morning or after breakfast. We're here to listen to your body, not fight it. Let's get practical. Doctor, how do I make it so it actually feels good? My favorite baseline for most people: the juice of half a medium lemon in a large glass of water, about 8 to 10 ounces. Temperature, room temperature or slightly warm, never boiling. Very hot water extracts bitterness and doesn't add benefits. Ritual: sit down, sip slowly, and take 2 or 3 longer breaths than usual as you drink. Helpful variations for different needs. Gentle digestive warm-up: half a lemon in warm water with 1 very thin slice of fresh ginger. Remove the slice after a minute if you're sensitive. Cozy for those who like warmth in the upper stomach. If ginger triggers reflux, skip it. Skin and aroma: half a lemon in cool water with a paper-thin strip of lemon peel. Avoid the thick white pith. The essential oils add fragrance and make the habit stick. If you worry about tooth enamel, use a straw and rinse with plain water afterward. Sweaty summer tweak: half a lemon in water with a tiny pinch of mineral salt after heavy sweating. Useful in hot climates. If you're managing hypertension or sodium intake, skip this variation. Softer on the stomach: half a lemon in water with 1 teaspoon of honey if mornings feel too acidic. Great for those who need a kinder start. If you have diabetes, skip or discuss with your clinician. To strain or not to strain. With lemon alone, there's nothing to strain. If you infuse with a cucumber slice or a mint leaf. Remember, we're not making a juice, we're making water with a note. The trick is repeatable, and pleasant medicine you like is medicine you keep. Let's protect this habit from myths. Alkalinity myth: lemon alkalizes your blood and cures everything. Reality: blood pH doesn't change with beverages. Urine pH can shift slightly, which may help certain stone formers. That's it, cancer myth. Lemon water prevents or cures cancer. Reality, diets. Rich in fruits and vegetables, including citrate, associated with lower risk of some cancers in observational studies. But a single glass of lemon water by itself isn't a cancer shield. Choosing lemon water instead of sugary drinks improves your overall pattern, and that matters. Detox myth. Your liver and kidneys detox daily. They don't need a drink to teach them the job. What they need is less overload, less alcohol, less liquid sugar, fewer ultra-processed foods. Lemon water can be part of a supportive environment. More water, better food quality, better sleep. Weight loss myth. I lost weight because of lemon. The more common truth. You lost weight because of the habit ecosystem around the glass, starting hydrated, being more mindful, swapping soda for water. Moving after breakfast. That's not a downgrade, it's the value of an anchor habit. Stomach. Warm lemon water often wakes up the vagus nerve, and many feel less heaviness. If you have reflux, try room temperature water, a smaller amount of lemon, and observe. For some, it worsens. For others, it doesn't. Your response rules. Intestines. Early liquid intake can trigger the gastrocolic reflex. If you follow with protein and fiber at breakfast and keep sipping water through the day, many people notice more regularity. If your issue is chronic constipation, the glass helps. But the game changer is the whole day. Daily walking, vegetables and legumes, and a regular schedule. Microbiome. Lemon isn't a probiotic, but if your morning glass nudges you toward better habits, more water, more plants, fewer ultra-processed foods, your microbiome benefits. A nice gentle duo. Lemon water on waking, and half an apple or one pear with skin later in the morning. Hydration plus soluble fiber is a quiet, effective team. For IBS, keep it measured. Small lemon amount, warm water, slow sipping, and relaxed breathing. If you get cramps, reduce the lemon or move the glass to a different time. We don't tough it out, we take care. Vitamin C supports the steps your body uses to make collagen. In simple terms, it helps your body assemble collagen when you also supply the building blocks, adequate protein, and sleep. What might you notice? Over a few weeks, a slightly brighter complexion, healthier looking gums, and less brittle nails. Not a dramatic before and after, it's a gentle accumulation. Lemon water also helps you drink more. Internal hydration shows on the outside. If you're walking and sleeping better, you lower low-grade inflammation. Your skin often reflects that. What not to expect? That a glass erases hyperpigmentation, deep wrinkles, or severe acne. Those require a planned diet, sun protection, topical care, and dermatology when needed. To protect enamel, dilute well. Avoid brushing immediately afterward. Wait about 30 minutes and rinse with plain water when you finish. If you're prone to enamel erosion, use a straw and drink within 2 or 3 minutes rather than sipping all day. If you've had calcium-oxalate kidney stones, ask your clinician about citrus as a source of citrate. Some medical plans use well-diluted lemon juice several times a day alongside a structured diet. Adequate overall water, sodium moderation, appropriate dietary calcium, and oxalate management. Not every case is the same, supervision matters. For blood pressure, the main benefits of the morning glass come from reducing liquid sodium, sugar, fewer sodas, better hydration, and setting up an organized breakfast. If you have hypertension, don't treat lemon as a therapy. Use it as a supportive habit alongside diet, movement, and medication when prescribed. For exercise, lemon water can be a light pre-walk drink, hydrating without heaviness. For long or intense training, you may need electrolytes. A genuine pinch of salt and a piece of fruit can suffice for light sessions. But if you train hard, tailor with a professional. If you live with kidney disease, severe reflux, active ulcers, or take medications affected by gastric acidity or citrate, touch base with your care team first. We don't force rituals. We build safe versions for each person. Mistake 1. More lemon is better. Result: acidity or enamel erosion. Fix: less lemon, better dilution, straw, rinse afterward. Mistake 2. If it's not on an empty stomach, it's useless. Fix: move the glass to mid-morning or after breakfast. The core win is more water and a bit of vitamin C, you still get it. Mistake 3. I'll sip all day. Constantly sipping acids isn't great for teeth. Fix: drink it in one sitting, then switch to plain water. Mistake 4. It must make me lose weight. If it doesn't, frustration follows. Fix: understand the glass is an anchor habit. The whole day changes the scale. Celebrate the glass for what it is, a doorway to better choices. Mistake 5. I'll boil it to make it stronger. Very hot water extracts bitterness from the peel and hurts the experience. Fix: room temperature or gently warm. Mistake 6. I have gastritis, but I am forced to do it because it's healthy. No, if it irritates you, it's not your morning ritual. Hydrate with plain water, a soft infusion, or a kinder alternative. Here's a simple 1-week trial with no rigidity. Days 1 through 3. On waking, juice of half a lemon in a large glass of water at room temperature or gently warm. Sit and take 3 breaths. Inhale to a count of 4. Hold 1. Exhale to 6 while sipping. Eat a breakfast with protein and fiber. Walk 10 to 15 minutes. Days 4 and 5. Repeat, but observe specific signals. Energy until noon. Bowel regularity. Mid-morning hunger. Jot 2 lines. Felt this. Notice that. Sat well or not. Something bothers you? Reduce lemon or shift the timing. Days 6 and 7. Decide whether the glass stays on an empty stomach or moves to mid-morning. If you enjoy it, try one small variation: a paper-thin peel strip or a mint leaf. Keep it well diluted. Protect your teeth, and remember, we're not collecting rituals. We're aligning your morning with your health. If this small gesture helps you drink more water, begin with 1 minute of calm. And remember, your body needs kind attention. You've already won because it cures everything. But because it helps you build everything else. Thank you for staying to the end. If this was useful, subscribe right now. Turn on notifications and tap like so I can keep bringing you clear, kind, evidence-aware health content. Share this with someone who might benefit: a family member, a friend, someone starting their health journey, because sometimes a simple video makes a big difference. I'm Dr. Stefan. Take good care. Drink water, choose color on your plate, move gently, and I'll see you in the next video.